Hello friends, today we are studying MCQs for CET exam preparation subject English. Third, punctuation, and fifth, making meaningful sentence using given phrases, and sixth, spotting the error and rewriting the correct sentences. Okay, let's start the video. Language study 1, punctuation activities. First, choose the correct sentence with correct punctuation from the given alternative in each sub-question. First, A. Wow, what a lovely computer. B. Rita's dog is black. C. The little boy prayed to God daily, didn't he? D. He gave me books, diaries, and magazines. The correct answer is option A. Wow, what a lovely computer. Explanation. In option B, the full stop at the end of the sentence is missing. In option C, the comma after daily is missing. Or in option D, there should be the no comma before and hence the option A with all the correct punctuation marks is the answer. Second, options A. It's a lovely evening. B. Sheetal is playing, isn't she? C. Did Lokesh come late to school today? D. Why don't you come to the market with me? Asked the woman. The correct answer is option C. Did Lokesh come late to school today? Third, option A. The boy in my class are Abhi, Soham, Amit and Vikrant. Option B. How beautiful this rainbow is, exclaimed the youngest tourist. C. The organizer said, you will get a gift for your efforts. D. Did you see him? He said to her, his voice low and angry. The correct option is option C. The organizer said, you will get a gift for your efforts. Fourth, A. You are quite a musician, she said admiringly. B. Ritu's necklace is broken but she is not upset. C. Mosquitoes, flies, worms, insects, they were all troubling me. D. The moon has already risen in the east, said the girl. The correct option is option B. Ritu's necklace is broken but she is not upset. Fifth, A. They are all happy, aren't they? B. The legs of the table were broken. C. The tails of the walls were short. D. The books was called Promise to Keep. The correct option is option C. The tails of the walls were short. Sixth, A. Who told you that story? B. Book a first class ticket from Pune for Ravi. C. He said that he would let me know next week. D. It's a long way to California. The correct option is option D. It's a long way to California. Question second. Choose the sentence with wrong punctuation from the given alternative in each sub-question. First, A. How beautiful the sunset is! Exclamatory. B. Why didn't you signal this letter? C. It's a pity this happened. D. The cat liked its tail. The correct option is option B. Why didn't you sing this letter? Explanation. In option B, the apostrophe should be after the letter N and not letter D, hence B is the answer. Second, A. These letters are for the children. B. She's your sister, isn't she? C. Sima, do you have a pen? D. I can't come for the party. The correct option is option C. Sima, do you have a pen? Third, A. There are many trees in the garden. B. The boys' hobby is cricket. C. My children's interests are different. D. The ladies' handbags were kept on the table. The correct option is option A. There are many trees in the garden. Fourth, A. What a beautiful person she is. B. The principal addressed the boys, girls, teachers and parents. C. Here you are, children, said the old lady. D. The prince's horse brought him safely home. The correct option is option C. Here you are, children, said the old lady. Fifth, A. What do the children want? B. Did you bring a pencil, papers, pens, etc. with you? C. I said to the naughty boy, come with me. D. How superb this essay is. The correct answer is option D. Did you bring a pencil, papers, pen, etc. with you? Sixth, A. Mira said, I am tired. B. Alas, the good days are gone. C. Bravo, you are really did well at the stadium. D. Here in France, my name is John. The correct answer is option C. Bravo, you really did well at the stadium. Question third. Choose the correct punctuation mark to fill in the blanks in the sentence. First, he asked me why I was there. Options A. Question mark. B. Exclamation mark. C. Comma. D. Full stop. The correct option is option D. Full stop. Second, the moral of the story, dash prevention is better than cure. Options A. Exclamatory marks. B. Colon. C. Semicolon and D. Inverted commas. The correct option is option B. Colon. Third, I have poor health, dash, therefore I must be excused from the event. Options A. Full stop. B. Exclamatory mark. C. Semicolon. D. Question mark. The correct answer is option C. Semicolons. Fourth, you must follow the order of the doctor, dash, or you will collapse. Options A. Semicolon. B. Exclamatory marks. C. Comma. D. Full stop. The correct answer is option C. Comma. Okay. So, language study 1, chapter 5, making meaningful sentences using given phrase. Activities. Question first. Pick out the sentence having the correct usage of the given phrase. First, to come across. Options A. I suddenly come across some old photographs when I was cleaning my drawer. B. The detective come across some interesting things during the investigation. C. The old books come across me yesterday. D. Where was the old book that come across you? The correct option is option A. I suddenly come across some old photographs when I was cleaning my drawer. Explanation. The phrase to come across means to meet someone or to finding something by chance in option B. The tense of the verb come is wrong in option C. And D. An inanimate thing like a book cannot be come across anything, hence A is the correct answer. Second, to break down. Options A. The use she broke itself down. B. We had a difficult time when the washing machine broken down. C. Call the mechanic when the air conditioner break down. D. We break down a car when it doesn't work. The correct option is option B. We had a difficult time when the washing machine broke down. Third, to get up. Options. The naughty boy got himself up quickly when he saw the teacher. B. The thief get off a run when he saw the policeman. C. Can you get the train off at the next stop? D. The old man got off the train at the last stop. The correct option is option D. The old man got off the train at the last stop. Fourth, in a flash. Options. A. In a flash, the torch showed the entrance of the cave. B. He was playing football in a flash. C. The smart girl picked out the answer in a flash. D. The lightning come in a flash toward me. The correct option is option C. The smart girl picked out the answer in a flash. Question second. Pick out the sentence having the wrong usage of the given phrase. First, to keep up with. Options. A. The new girl could not keep up with the rest of the class. B. India must keep up with the rest of the world in technology. C. My daughter was running so fast that I couldn't keep up with her. D. Mousam couldn't not keep up for playing with his sister. The correct option is option D. Mousam couldn't not keep up for playing with his sister. Second, let down. Options. A. I am sure that my son will never let me down. B. Mira was ashamed to meet her parents for she felt she had let down them. C. When the boy missed the shot, he felt he had his team down. D. We always think the government has let us down, don't we? The correct option is option B. Mira was ashamed to meet her parents for she felt she had let down them. Third, to look after. Options. A. I look my mother after she fell ill. Option B. The young girl was sure she could look after herself. C. This laptop is expensive. Look after it well. D. The old man lady did not want to look after two dogs. The correct option is option A. I looked my mother after she fell ill. Fourth, face up to. Options. A. The minister has to face up to consequences of his misdeeds. B. The bully didn't have the courage to face up to the principal. C. We must face up to the fact that this pandemic will not end soon. D. We must face up to the fact that this pandemic will not end soon. The correct option is option D. We must face to up the fact that this pandemic will not end soon. Question 3. Pick out the correct phrase to fill in the blanks in each sentence. First, the intelligent girl dash thought examination easily. Options. A. Got into. B. Got through. C. Got across. And D. Got from. The correct option is option B. Got through. Second, the old lady felt that she had nothing much. Options. A. Looking forward. B. To look to. C. To look forward to. D. To look forward. The correct answer is option C. To look forward to. Third, the girl dashed the beggar and gave him a sandwich. Options. A. Sorry for. B. Felt sorry. C. Feel sorry. And D. Felt sorry for. Correct answer is option D. Felt sorry for. Fourth, trouble dash between the two countries over the sharing of oil. A. Broken in. B. Broke over. C. Broke out. D. Broke. The correct answer is option C. Broke out. Fifth, the fox asked the crane if she could dash for the dinner that night. Options A. To come over. B. Come over. C. Come for. D. Come over. The correct option is option D. Come over. Sixth, my sister told me to go ahead and she would dash later. Options A. Catch in. B. Catch up. C. Catch across. And D. Catch along. The correct answer is option B. Catch up. Okay. Language Study 1. Chapter 6. Spotting the error and rewriting the correct sentence. Question 1. Choose the sentence with the error from the given alternative. First, option A. One of my book is missing from the new bag that I had kept on the chair. B. On my book was missing from the new bag that I had kept on the chair. C. One of my book are missing from the new bag that I had kept on the chair. D. One of my books could be missing from the new bag that I had kept on the chair. The correct option is option C. One of my book are missing from the new bag that I had kept on the chair. Explanation. The latter half of the sentence that I had kept on my chair is common to all the sentences, as the error is not in that part but in the first half. The subject of the sentence 1 is a regular and has to agree with the verb. It does not agree only in sentence C. Hence the sentence with the error is C. Second, options A. He said that he were busy on Monday but not on Tuesday. B. He had said that they were busy on Monday but not on Tuesday. C. They said that are busy on Monday but not on Tuesday. D. He said that he was busy on Monday but not on Tuesday. The correct answer is option A. He said that he were busy on Monday but not on Tuesday. Third, option A. 8 days was the time allotted for the job. B. One of my best friend hoped to join the army. C. The news was confirmed. D. Traffic jams are a major problem. The correct answer is option B. One of my best friends hoped to join the army. Explanation. The number of subject is not changed by the phrase following it. Hence the verb hope in B should agree with 1 and should be hopes. Correct option of the sentence with error is B. Fourth, option A. Don't you have a pencil and an eraser? B. Does you have a pencil and an eraser? C. Do you have a pencil and eraser? D. Could I have a pencil and an eraser? The correct answer is option B. Does you have a pencil and an eraser? Question number 2. Choose the correct sentence error free from the given alternative. First, A. Everyone make mistakes. B. Has you ever seen a rainbow? C. A beam of light entered the cave. D. Her words has put fire into me. The correct answer is option A. Everyone makes mistakes. Second, option A. We all know that a sparrow eats grains. B. We all knowing that sparrow eat grains. C. We all know that sparrows eat grain. D. We all know that sparrow eating grain. The correct option is option C. We all know that sparrows eat grain. Third, option A. The teacher gave each boy in the class a toy. B. The teacher gave each boy in the class a toy. C. I like songs that have beautiful words. D. Every road and every building are clearly marked on this map. The correct answer is option B. The teacher gave each boy in the class a toy. Fourth, option A. If you are complaining, he will laugh at you. B. If you complain, he will laugh at you. C. If you complain, he will laugh at you. D. If you complain, he will be laughing at you. The correct answer is option C. If you complain, he will laugh at you. Fifth, option A. Not only you and also your sister has asked me the same question. B. Not only you but also your sister have asked me the same question. C. Not only you but also your sister has asked me the same question. D. Not only you but also your sister has asked me the same question. The correct answer is option C. Not only you but also your sister has asked me the same question. Sixth, A. Their furniture are made of plastic, I am sure. B. Their furniture were made of plastic, I am sure. C. Their furniture is made of plastic, I am sure. D. Their furniture are made of plastic, I was sure. The correct option is option C. Their furniture is made of plastic, I am sure. Question third. Choose the correct verb form from the given alternative for each sentence. First, neither of the two applicants is suitable for the job. Options A are, B is, C were, and D have. The correct answer is option B is. Explanation. The pronoun neither is a singular, hence the verb must be singular, hence the answer is B. Second, what you said yesterday still dash me angry. Options A make, B making, C makes, and D has made. The correct option is option C makes. Third, how time dash fly when we are happy. Options A do, B have, C is, and D does. The correct option is option D does. Fourth, the behavior of the children dash excellent. Options A were, B was, C are, and D have been. The correct answer is option B was. Explanation. The subject behavior is a singular and hence the taken a singular verb. Answer is B was. Fifth, Mira and Mona dash to come with me. Options A have promised, B has promised, C is promising, D have promised. The correct answer is option A have promised. Explanation. Subject joined by and if they refer to different people take a plural verb. Mira and Mona are two different people, hence the plural verb option A have promised is the answer. Okay, language study. First, chapter 7, type of sentences. Activities. Question first. Choose the correct alternative and identify the type of each sentence given below. First, Raju was swimming carelessly in the river. Options A assertive, B imperative, C interrogative, and D exclamatory. The correct option is option A assertive. Second, don't slam the door. Options A imperative, B assertive, C exclamatory, D interrogative. The correct option is option A imperative. Third, the boys did not go on the trip to the near cave. Options A imperative, B interrogative, C assertive, and D exclamatory. The correct option is option C assertive. Fourth, did you see that the huge aeroplane in the sky? Options A interrogative, B imperative, C exclamatory, and D assertive. The correct option is option A interrogative. Fifth, how honest the man is. A. Assertive, B. Exclamatory, C. Interrogative, and D. Imperative. The correct option is option B. Exclamatory. Sixth, have you not seen the latest version of the play? Options A. Imperative, B. Assertive, C. Exclamatory, D. Interrogative. The correct option is option D. Interrogative. Question second. Choose the correct type of sentence from the given alternative in each sub-question. First, imperative sentence. A. How kind of you. B. Leave me alone please. C. Is she tired today? D. Ritesh is a very tall boy. The correct option is option B. Leave me alone please. Second, interrogative sentence. Options A. Which road should I take now? B. Such wonderful weather. C. I went to my office by bus today. D. Stop teasing the cat at once. The correct option is option A. Which road should I take now? Third, assertive sentence. Options in Pranav playing football. B. What a pity you fell down. C. Mohini is learning music. D. Don't ask my question. The correct option is option C. Mohini is learning music. Fourth, exclamatory sentence. Options A. It is certainly not going to rain today. B. Take one tablet 3 times a day. C. What a clear blue sky. D. Where are you going? The correct option is option C. What a clear blue sky. Fifth, negative sentence. Options A. Can you take a message for me? B. No sooner did he see me than he ran away. C. As soon as he saw me, he ran away. D. How can you be so cruel? The correct answer is option B. No sooner did he see me than he ran away. So guys, if this video is helpful and knowledgeable to you, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.